Get your fingers. You're doing yourself, you know.
I knew that.
Just you ridiculous.
Back again.
Do not get me in this video.
Help me in, please. Guess it's just me then, folks. And this lovely city. And a straw. A straw that's wiggling. That's a strange straw. Yeah. I was going to show you a pigeon, but I had a straw in my mouth. Thanks for that. Yeah. So, this is Adam Powell's Nature Watch, brought to you by the Wiggly Straw. We have, oh look, shh, look what we have here. We've got, oh my god.
Oh my god.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have something here. Be warned, be very afraid also.
These animals are very dangerous.
We call them gingers. Less screen time on the Wiggly Straw, please. As you can see, the sun has come out, and yeah, we are now focusing on what appears to be a ginger. It is a wild creature, but it can be tamed. It takes a lot of time and patience, lots and lots and lots of patience. Male of the bush tribe. Ah, it's gone. Eddie. It appears that I have something stuck somewhere. Yeah. Sorry about that, people. We have here what appears to be a monument of sorts. And I'm getting a straw stuck in my shoe. A wild creature known as a robert is trying to escape my view. It's a scary creature, I'll give you that. Very creepy, very dark. I'm going to go in for a closer look at this wild animal. The creature is protesting. I'll take one last look at this wild animal. Oh my god, it's protesting violence. I'm moving to a safer spot. I'm going to sit down here. That was not my finger, by the way. Over there, what we have is what's called a train station. A train station. Yeah. Pretty cool. This is for the uneducated, by the way, not for people who really know it's a train station. I'm getting a straw, kind of poking me in the neck. It's not comfortable, I'll tell you that. I'm going to pass the camera over to someone more experienced. Straw. Oh, hi. Where is the robert convicted from? That's the type of animal that you take. You know where it's from?
I ain't getting them.
As we turn, keeping a close eye on the guy. He does not want to be filmed. This animal.
Neither did the ginger.
Oh.
I'm only joking.
Was it on it already? So
Evil bastard.
Evil is just a word, sister. Hell is just a word.
Stop.